Hello, Mr. Smith. Welcome to the New Holland Metaverse dealer. It's good to see you again. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was hoping to learn more about the new T4 electric power tractor that I've seen in the media. It sounds like it could save me money and help boost farming's environmental and sustainability responsibilities. Could you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yeah, sure thing. This is it, the T4 Electric Power, the industry's first all-electric utility tractor with autonomous features. Shall we have a look around?
Yeah, sure. Certainly looks good from the outside, but styling isn't everything, of course. Could you tell me a little bit more about what's inside?
Absolutely. So in place of the diesel engine is a specially designed battery pack. This tractor is 100% electric with zero emissions, the first utility tractor of its type.
That's very interesting. But while electric power might work for cars, can it really be practical in a tractor?
Yeah, that's a great question. Our engineer's priority was to make this tractor better than its diesel equivalent and compatible with the same implements. It has identical implement and loader connections, dimensions and tyre sizes, and has the same speed range from 300 meters per hour to 40 kilometers per hour, plus the same power output.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. But torque is really what gives a tractor its implement's working capacity in the field, right?
Yeah, exactly. And there's no compromises here either. It really does deliver outstanding performance. It's got the same 300 Newton meters maximum torque as the diesel equivalent, but the electric motor means that this can be attained at super low RPMs, making this the highest torque tractor in its class.
Wow, that's very impressive. You mentioned low RPMs, so presumably that's another reason for the low noise levels? While we're talking about sound and comfort, can we take a look inside the cab?
Yes, absolutely. Both the operator and any bystanders will find this a super quiet machine, and the no diesel engine makes less vibration too. This is really a whole new driving experience, and this of course means less operator tiredness and greater productivity, while the low noise means that it's better for work at night in urban areas and in indoor spaces like livestock buildings for better animal well-being. But let's take a look inside. After you.
Oh, thank you. It is really spacious in here. There's plenty of leg and arm room. I can see why this and the reduced noise and vibration mean a far better operator experience.
We've made it easier to operate and monitor too, with a new digital instrument cluster for data including battery charge and hours of autonomy. It tilts with the steering column, so visibility is always good.
Okay, very nice. The designers have clearly been thinking about what operators really want. Tell me about the display on the right here. I presume it's a touchscreen?
Yes, you're right. This is our latest touchscreen. Here you can have front and rear camera views, field maps, isobus implement control, and telemetry data all at hand. Data is becoming increasingly important, and New Holland's telemetry developments mean operation data can be wirelessly transmitted in real time to and from this tractor, which is factory equipped with all the necessary hardware. And you can access data not just via a computer, but also from a smartphone.
Yeah, that's something I've read a lot about, but this is making it much more clearer for me. Can you explain how the cameras work?
Absolutely. So another significant development in the T4 electric power is the smart roof. Let's step outside again and I can show you. So if you look up, you can see what we call Smart Roof. It incorporates a set of sensors, cameras and control units designed to make operations safer, more productive and more efficient. With a 360-degree perception system that detects obstacles and ensures the tractor avoids them. It's possible to remotely operate the tractor using a smartphone app and even sync machines to work together using a shadow follow me mode. Unlike many of our other tractors, this machine can be equipped not only with auto guidance but also with telematics, which helps farmers and managers remotely monitor activity. Implement recognition ensures the tractor seamlessly links with the attachment that's coupled to it, while offboard digital services let farmers run the tractor from anywhere at any time while monitoring its performance and battery level.
Wow, I need one of these. No more wasting time getting in and out of the tractor to open gates. You could even help me with my cattle if I program it to follow me while feeding. I can see so much potential here.
Yeah, it's really good, isn't it?
Definitely. I need to get going now, but one more thing. Tell me about the battery recharge time, runtime, and useful life.
Sure. So recharging is possible at all most common voltages. It also supports fast chargers just like cars do. And recharge time varies depending on the voltage and available amperage. And the charge time is faster the higher the voltage and the current are.
Okay, great. I understand.
And the tractor can run for 8 hours uninterrupted on one charge, which depends of course on application type and the intensity. But this is something that we've researched and developed intensively.
Wow, it's very impressive, and you've done a really great job here today. Our livestock farm, I think, can have multiple benefits that can really make me consider purchasing the T4. I think we'll be talking about this again soon, and thanks so much again for all this wonderful information.
You're most welcome. Just so you know, the T4 will be available to purchase from 2023, so yes, let's absolutely speak again. And it's always a pleasure, Mr. Smith. See you soon and have a great rest of your day.